Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've got a few projects going on, but right in the middle of all that, we went into Dollar Tree for a couple items. I used their cleaning supplies. And of course, I went down the toy aisle, and it was like my cart was going like this, stopped, because you won't believe what they had. Mattel Barbie line Kins. I couldn't believe my eyes. So they had 3. I bought 3. They were $1.25 each. I dropped them when I got home. I thought one of these boxes, yeah, it kind of came a little open. I did that. But I'm going to unbox these, and I'm going to choose 2 other people, I think. And I'd like to do a beginner's craft with this doll. He does not come with shoes, but I know a guy that could make flip-flops for this good-looking Ken. I think he's cute. For $1.25 each, wow. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Always keep an eye on Walmart, who right now has an aisle full of clearance in our town, and also the Dollar Tree. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.